In the continuation of demyelinating diseases, two less common diseases they are left. One is Devic disease, or which is also called neuromyelitis optica. And as the name is indicating, that it affects eyes, and usually it is bilateral. And there is optic neuritis of both eyes, and there can be involvement of spinal cord. And usually, patient it does not completely recover, so prognosis is not very good, and patient responds poorly to the steroids and other immunosuppressants. So this is the picture of optic neuritis showing a pale disc. Then after that comes acute disseminated encephalomyelitis, commonly known as ADEM, and here you can see that there is a widespread demyelination in the brain and the spinal cord. So multiple areas of brain they can be involved, and some areas of spinal cord they can also be involved. So the clinical feature it depends upon that which area of brain and which area of spinal cord is involved. So clinical features they can be diverse. They can be sensory, they can be motor, they can be cranial nerve palsies. So this is the difference between ADEM and multiple sclerosis. ADEM it usually affects more to the children, while MS it affects adults. ADEM it affects males, and MS affects mostly females. And ADEM is a single attack, while multiple sclerosis is usually remitting and relapsing. MRI it is used to differentiate between the two. If there are previous old lesions other than new lesions, then it shows the possibility of MS more as compared to ADEM. So clinical course is that children they usually have very good prognosis, and they completely recover in 2 to 4 weeks. So prognosis is good. Patient usually recover completely from acute illness, although some may have some neurological problems left. As far as the treatment of ADEM is concerned, obviously we give steroid because it is an autoimmune disease, and the dose of steroid is 30 milligram per kg per day for 3 to 5 days. And then after that, we can also give intravenous immunoglobulin in the dose of 1 milligram per kg per day IV for 2 days, plasmapheresis, and symptomatic treatment. So this was all about acute disseminated encephalomyelitis.